Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Misola. High Court for Kano don tok say make national chairman for All Progressive Congress (APC) Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje no dey call himself national chairman or member of APC party again until dem review im suspension. Court say make Ganduje stop to dey put mouth for the party matter from now on. Na Justice Usman Malam Nahaba pass dis judgement on top the case wey Dr. Ibrahim Sahad on behalf of Ganduje Ward Dawakin Tofa local government file for court. Sahad dey among the 9 ward executives wey suspend Ganduje 2 days ago. If una remember, say na dis 9 ward members declare dis suspension on top the corruption matter wey dem accuse Ganduje by Kano State government. Further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Enugu State Police Command don arrest one 24-year-old Umaduabuchi Okonkwo with fake naira notes. Na tok for police Daniel Ndukwe tok dis one come out yesterday say na Abakaliki Road Police Division with the support of law-abiding citizens help dem arrest Okonkwo on April 10. Na 40,000 naira with 1,000 naira denomination dem recover from the suspect. First investigation wey police do show say the suspect enter minibus wey dem dey call Korope from New Avenue Junction to Old IMT bus stop Enugu. As e come down, na im e give driver fake money wey make dem arrest am. Na during interrogation the suspect confess say im take 25,000 naira take buy fake 50,000 naira, but im don spend 10,000 naira inside. Further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. EFCC don bombard the house of before governor for Kogi State wey just comot for power, Yaya Bello for Abuja. The former governor house dey for number 9 Benghazi Street for Zone 4, Wuse District for Abuja. Na inside the video wey AIT share for X handle today Wednesday, we see where EFCC block the road wey lead in and out of the street wey con cause traffic for the area. Na dis one make Kogi Governor Usman Ododo go visit Yaya Bello when e hear wetin EFCC con do for im house. Ododo and some security people visit am around 2:30 p.m. dis afternoon on top wetin happen to am early today. As at the time reporter gather dis tori, nobody know wetin make EFCC surround Bello house. Tok for EFCC Dele Oyewale no gree respond to all the questions dem send to am, but before now we hear say EFCC drag Bello, im nephew Ali, one Dauda Sulaiman and Abdulsalam Hudu before Justice James Omotosho for Federal High Court Abuja over one amended charge wey involve 84 billion naira money laundering. Full tori dey inside The Nation newspaper. Street pop artist Habib Okikiola, wey everybody know as Portable, don begin dey beg EFCC make dem forgive am on top the offence wey im commit before, as im don spray im fans money before. Dis step follow the 6 months jail wey court sama crossdresser Idris Okuneye, wey everybody know as Bobrisky, sake of say im do naira money anyhow. Also, Portable begin dey beg as e see the 3-count charge wey EFCC charge Cubana chief priest on top abuse of naira. Na for live session yesterday for Instagram, Portable dey beg im fans make dem open bank account because na only transfer im go dey do. Im go dey take send dem money from now on. According to wetin Portable yarn, I help a lot of people. After God na government. Make una forgive me if una get videos of me where I dey spray money. No more spraying of money. Now, EFCC don talk say dem still dey investigate several celebrities wey don abuse money before. Dis full tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Nigeria popular singer Simisola Kosoko, wey everybody know as Simi, don come outside talk wetin make am dey successful. Dis mother of one talk say the sacrifice wey female artists wey come before her do play big role for im success inside music industry. Simi emphasize am say those workaholic women give chance for other women to succeed, especially for the industry wey be say na man plenty pass. Na inside one interview wey Simi do with African Folder, Simi tok say im no go give himself plenty credit sake of say na from other women im benefit. Na gospel artist Simi take start im career before she switch to secular music for year 2014. Another female singer wey be Afrobeat star Tiwa Savage too reveal wetin make am join music industry. Dis Koroba Crooner tok say she get mind for acting but go join music because of one man wey im dey crush on. According to wetin she tok, dis man wey im get secret love for dey always dey around music. That's why she abandon acting go join music. Dis full tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Businessman and jaye man Pascal Okechukwu, wey everybody know as Cubana chief priest, don open mouth tok after im don perfect im bail condition of 10 million naira with 2 surety for the same amount. Na on top im Instagram, Okechukwu write say im no dey small and money na water. Report show say na dis morning Federal High Court for Lagos grant Cubana chief priest 10 million naira bail after e beg say im no dey guilty for the charge wey dem charge am for court on top say e abuse money. Na before Justice Kehinde Ogundare dem charge am 3-count charge wey get something to do with abuse of naira, spraying and tampering with nation's currency for Owambe wey dey against the law of Central Bank Act of 2007. Dem say na 500 naira bail Cubana spray for 2 hours inside party. After judge grant am bail, na im go Instagram go appreciate im fans and followers for their love and messages. Dis full tori dey inside Punch newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so that we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.